First of all, my name is Sujata Narve. I am become graduate recently in 2019. आणि my main motto for contesting Zydli Chindal constituency election is that म्हाका माझ्या मामी डॅडीचो एक्सपिरियन्स आसा for last 8 years. And the thing is, म्हाका खबर आसा like Indiranagar मेसेस I know the situation of people. तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा ते म्हाका खबर आसा. So as I am a youth in generation, so तेंचे म्हाका कितें आसा तें खबर आहा म्हणून आय वूड लायक टू सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स. कितें डेवलपमेंट आसा तें करपाक जाय. कितें मोस्टली वुमन्सांक कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा सो देयर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम एनीथींग बीइंग अ लेडी आय कॅन असिस्ट देम. So the main thing is to look after people for development and everything. That
What
is
would be your request? What would be your message towards your voters?
So my message is that kindly vote for me. तुमचो म्हाका आदार जाय. With your votings, I think I have a support, but still I'm requesting that म्हाका आनीक तुमचो support जाय. So kindly vote for me. So because of youth generation, I know the problems of youth and everything. So main thing is that only. I would like to contest for it. First of all, we have three my dad has elected three the punches. One is my mother, one is my father, and this is Hitaksha. So we three are together. Plus we have support of the rest of the members. The total 11 I think members are there. So all are supporting us. Some of them have come over here, and they'll be supporting us. We have their support in Chimbal, and Maces also we have support.
मेन इश्यू कितें आसतलें चिंबलें? मेन इश्यू कितें?
मेन इशू तरी आसात. आय हॅव सीन गार्बेज, गटर, ऑल दॅट प्रॉब्लम्स मोस्टली ते सॉल्व करपाक जाय. दॅन टुडेज थिंग इज दॅट लेडीजांचे म्हाजे प्रॉब्लम एवरीडे म्हाज्या घरा येता लेडीज. आय फील दियर फॉर्म्स, आय रायट दियर फॉर्म्स. थ्रू दॅट आय हॅव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स अबाउट पंचायत and everything. So depending upon that, I'm going to look further.